Hi guys, so in this video I am going to teach you how to sync your audio files and video files together using PluralEyes, so you can edit them in any editing software. So I am going to be using PluralEyes for this tutorial. Now this is my PluralEyes open here. As you can see, this is my PluralEyes open, and these are the files I want to sync together. In this folder is my audio files. I recorded it with my Zoom. So all I need to do, I'm going to move my audio files, then my video files. My video files are in this other folder. So I'm just going to move the both of them inside PluralEyes. So you wait for the media to prepare. Finish. You can see the countdown. You're going to wait for it to get to 100%. So sometimes it can be faster depending on the amount of files you have and how fast your system is. You can see it 48, 52. So I'm using PluralEyes. You wait for it to count down. It's telling you preparing. You can see preparing media to synchronize. So you wait for it to finish synchronizing. So once it is done synchronizing, look at it, says 32 clips ready to synchronize. All you need to do, just click on synchronize, and automatically both the audio files and video files are going to sync together. Some files may not sync. Some of the video and audio files may not sync, so you can just ignore it. Then go to export timeline. Then let's save it in that same folder. Make sure you save it in that same folder so you don't go around looking for it. Radioboss. Yeah, so let's say new sync, then save it, then export it. Now what you're not going to do, you're not going to go to Premiere Pro or any editing software. You go to Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, but for this tutorial I am using Premiere Pro. As you can see, I've opened my Premiere Pro. I'm waiting for it to load. So after you are done syncing both the audio and video files in PluralEyes, now you go to Premiere Pro. Then let's open a new project. Let's say tutorial. I'm using Premiere Pro 2024. Let's save it in the same folder. Then create. Then we'll come to Premiere Pro. Then go to import. Look for where you save it. Look for where you save it. I save it here. This is the PluralEyes files. Yeah, it's an XML document. So once I click on it and click on OK, it will automatically bring all those files into Adobe Premiere. So you wait for it to load. You can see it. Now this is the file. If I double click on it, then you can see. Can you see? So these are the recorded files I use with the Zoom. These are the recorded files. Let's play it and see the difference. Let's play the original files that comes with the camera. I'm going to mute this one. Now let's play the Zoom recording audio and see the difference. Let's mute this. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is. You can see how beautiful it is. So in simple way, that is how you sync your audio files and video files together using PluralEyes. So if you find this video interesting, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.